A hard inquiry shows up on your credit report when a lender checks your credit after you apply for a loan or credit card. It can stay visible for up to 2 years, even though most credit scoring models only consider it for a much shorter period when calculating your score. By the end of this, you'll know how to check if a hard inquiry is legitimate, how to dispute incorrect ones step by step, and what actually makes them disappear from your report versus what only affects your score. First, understand what counts as a real hard inquiry. It happens when you apply for things like a credit card, auto loan, or mortgage. It is normal for approved applications to show up. What is not normal is seeing inquiries you never authorized or don't recognize. Start by pulling your credit report from the 3 main bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look at the Credit Inquiries section on each report. You need to compare them line by line because one bureau might list something the others don't. If you find an inquiry you did not approve, your next step is a dispute. You can file it directly through the credit bureau's online dispute portal. You select the inquiry, mark it as unauthorized, and submit a short explanation. The bureau is then required to investigate with the lender that reported it. If the lender cannot verify that you authorized the credit check, the inquiry gets removed. If they can verify it, it stays. This is why accuracy matters more than speed in the dispute process. There is also a situation where the inquiry is legitimate but still worth reviewing. If you applied for multiple credit cards in a short period, those inquiries can stack up and temporarily lower your score. In that case, removal is not possible because the activity is valid, but the impact naturally fades over time. One important detail people miss is that you should not try to remove legitimate inquiries. Credit bureaus can flag repeated disputes as abusive, and it does not improve your score faster. To keep your report clean going forward, avoid applying for multiple credit products in a short window, unless you are rate shopping for something like a mortgage or auto loan. To sum it up, hard inquiries are only removable when they are incorrect or unauthorized. Disputes are handled directly through the credit bureaus, and legitimate inquiries simply fade in impact over time. If you want a practical next step, pull all 3 of your credit reports today and highlight anything you do not recognize before filing a single dispute. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns on fixing credit issues without the confusion.